everyone, hello my friends, how are you? I hope you're fine. Welcome again to my channel Learning English with Malak. For today, we have a new lesson of grammar. The title name is The Difference Between Some and Any. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share with your friends. So now, let's start our new lesson. We will start by the quantifier some. We use some with affirmative sentences, not negative and not question, just affirmative. For example, I have some money. I have some money. I'm writing some because the phrase is in the affirmative form. Second example is he has some issues. He has some issues. I'm writing some also because the phrase is in the affirmative form. Clear? Let's move. Now we'll move at the quantifier any. We use any with negative and question sentences or forms. Not affirmative, just negative and question. For example, I don't have any money. I don't have any money. So I'm writing any because the phrase is in the negative form. Second example is, do you have any money? Do you have any money? So I'm writing any because the phrase is in the question form. I will repeat. Some just with affirmative and any with the negative and question form. Clear? Let's move. Now we'll move at the exceptions. Exceptions when we can use some with negative and question forms and when we can use any with the affirmative form. So we'll start by some. We use some in negative and question forms if we have the positive response. What does mean the positive response? The positive response does mean when you hope that the man or the woman answer to your question by yes. For example, would you like some soup? Would you like some soup? So, I ask by a modal verb, would. Would you like some soup? And would, it's a polite word and with respect to someone. So I hope to someone answer to my question by yes. And this is why I'm writing some in the question form. Clear? Let's move. Now we'll move at the exceptions of any. When we can use any in the affirmative form. We can use any in the affirmative form if the phrase contains these words. Never, hardly, without, rarely. For example, he never has any time. He never has any time. So I'm writing any in the affirmative form. Why? Because the phrase contains the word never. Clear? Let's move. Now we'll move at a small quiz with 5 questions and you will answer it by some and any. You complete the blanks. I don't want a blank pizza. So I will give you some time to remember what you are already talking about. Okay, it's good. I don't want any pizza. Why any? Because the phrase is in the negative form. Second phrase is he has a blank problems. Okay. Good job. It's some. He has some problems. I'm writing some because the phrase is in the affirmative form. The third sentence, do you have a blank tacos? Remember? Great. It's any. Again, it's do you have any tacos? Why I'm writing any? Because the phrase is in the question form. The fourth sentence, would you like a blank cake? Great job. It's some. Would you like some cake? Why I'm writing some? And this is a question sentence. Why? Because I used the word would, and would it's a polite word, and I give like a respect to someone. And this is what I'm writing some. The last sentence, she never has a blank time for me. She never has a blank time for me. Okay, we'll give you some time to memorize. Good. It's any. She never has any time for me. She never has any time for me. So, I'm waiting for your comments that you tell me how many answers are correct and how many answers are incorrect, and you can give me some questions about this lesson and I will answer it. Thank you for watching. I hope to understand this video so really well. If you have any question about this lesson, you can leave it in the comments and I will answer it. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications and share with your friends. Goodbye, see you next time in next video.